All right, really quick video about generational wealth, because it isn't about just what you make. It's also about what you can keep, what you grow, and what you pass down. Now, some families start with more and some with less, but no matter how you begin, the key is all about building together. So right here we have three different families, all right? You have my family, that's myself, my brother, my mother. You also have my father, my stepmother, and you have my wife and her family. So her mom, her dad, her brother, herself, her two sisters. So just looking at that, this is how people look at it. They talk about, look what we've built over time. We built different size families. Now, this is what happens if you don't have a plan. Because anything could happen. Anything could happen here. We had some struggles growing up. Obviously, this used to be us. And now a new reality has set in, right? So things happen. But things happen in another direction as well. As if my brother, he got married, I got married, and so we start to grow independently like that. But when you're thinking about generational wealth, let's talk about building wealth the right way. Now, all these are in separate categories, but what happens when you build together? And what can we do with that? We can build together using life insurance, trust, business credit, all these things. But what does that look like? So everyone has their own wealth principles, their own wealth guideline, but it makes sense to build together. And what makes it stronger is, hey, their whole family stand united. Over there in my wife's household, and all we would need to do is let's bring over, take the wives out, let's bring over ourselves and come and stand together. And we know how the Jenga tower works. If you remove pieces, things fall apart, because that's what's happening in most society, right? Most society, they say, you know what? Hey, I'm going to step out on my own, step away from the family, and I'm going to go and build my own empire over here like so. Left a hole in there. And then they go and go be with somebody else. And they independent on their own. But let's say they add one child, they fell over. But if you stay connected to the family and you build trust and a strong foundation, now no matter when you add children, I have three, there go my three children. Here's my wife, her sister's children, my brother and his wife and children, along with the grandchildren. And look, it's all still solid. Now, how do you protect all this? You use the trust, and you write everything in to go to one place, one source, just one tower. And now you have that to stand on. But it's something even crazier than that, because the trust just helped protect the foundation. Now you're not on a weak foundation. But with the life insurance and business credit, watch this. You have life insurance and business credit to go along with it. That's a whole nother stack that doesn't belong to anyone, but it's through the way the government works and with their paperwork. And so Now you go through above and beyond of everything else, and you're no longer even in the picture because you're standing on what is set up for you with life insurance, with the trust, LLCs, EINs, all those things to take you all out the picture and still secure your wealth, to pass down houses and cars and businesses. And what do you have to do to make a plan such as this? What you really want to do is go to www.aaronjohnson.info. Schedule a free consultation call, and let's talk about how we build, protect, and transfer wealth for generational wealth. You schedule your free consultation call today, and I'll see you on the other side.